Alright, let's start out with what you need. Hot glue gun, fake flowers from the dollar store, a little wicker wreath, which I also got from the dollar store, a pair of scissors, not good scissors, you don't want to ruin them. And pretty much the first step is just removing your flowers from the stems. You want about 1 inch to 2 inches. That's going to give you the space that you need to attach them to the wreath. And I really liked getting the wreath to do this because I thought it was kind of a unique way of doing a fairy crown. A lot of times people just put it on ribbon and you have to tie it, but this was kind of nice because the wreath fits your head and you just, boom, put it right on there and you don't have to worry about lacing it up. Alright, now we're going to actually start attaching some flowers. See how I said that you need to leave about 1 inch? Because you can slide that into the little slots between the wickering, and you can kind of get an idea too, before you even need to glue, what kind of design you want to go with. I mostly went in the same direction and just kind of started off that way. The main thing here is with the shape, you kind of want it to stay circular. You don't want one like sticking out randomly from the others. Once you start seeing where you like them, just start hot gluing them into place. The key with any kind of crown, especially a flower crown or fairy crown, is you don't want gaps, and that's really the biggest key, because you want it to look smooth and like it's just flowing. I do apologize that sometimes I go off the camera. As always, warning when using hot glue, don't burn your hands. Don't be like playing around with it and touching it. Just be aware that it is called hot glue for a reason. And even as careful as I am, I've gotten many blisters in my days of using the hot glue gun. So just be careful. For this crown, I was going for a kind of spring fairy look. That's why I decided to go with white, pinks, purples, blues. You can really do whatever you want with it, and you can pick any assortment of flowers. I try not to do like too big of flowers. I don't know if you could go with like sunflowers, or I don't even know if you could go with maybe roses if you're careful. Nice thing is, the dollar store usually has flowers that fit the season. But if you're in spring though and you're wanting to make an autumn one, plan ahead of time. Like I said, the really nice thing about this project is it's super cheap. I think like everything cost me $7 to $10. And that was just literally just a little wicker wreath and however many flowers I wanted. You can also get more creative if you wanted to, and like maybe have beads hanging down or whatnot. I just wanted to do a very basic one just to show you guys how to do a basic one in kind of a unique, different way. I'm sure too, if you don't have a dollar store near you, you can find the supplies online for fairly cheap. I think the dollar store I went to was actually Dollar Tree, which I think is pretty nationwide throughout the US. And look at that, it's already really coming together very, very well. We got nice coverage. So I decided I really like these hanging flowers, and I like it because they come with some greenery. So I decided to attach the hanging flowers to some spots, and then I was gonna wrap them around, because you can't really tell, but they're not like flowers. The way they made the fake stuff is it's sort of like little baubles almost. But I just thought it was nice because it added the greenery, it added some more texture to it, and kind of gave it a vine look, which I thought was nice. Like I said, there's so many different types of flowers out there. And see, look, there it is. It's got some more green to it. It's got more color, more texture. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's pretty stable too. And there it goes on the mannequin head. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and go make some fairy crowns, guys. Don't forget to subscribe!